I'm going to be showing you how to download Credit Karma in Android. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So it's pretty similar to how you download it with an iPhone. What you need is your Play Store in your Android phone. If you have an iPhone, you need App Store, and for Android, you need Play Store. So it's pretty much the same steps that you need to take. As you can see, I'm using an iPhone, but the only difference here is instead of Play Store, it says App Store here. So let's pretend this is Play Store. And now all you need to do is look at the bottom right, tap on the search button and just search for Credit Karma. And it should appear right there. And just tap on the install button and you're all good to go. As you can see, I've already downloaded it. Just go ahead and tap here to open it. And now you can just either sign up if you're new to this, but if you already have an account, then just tap on sign in and there you go. That's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.